Here is the latest update from the ongoing dualization reconstruction of Ekwulobia Road. So the last time I showed you guys the latest update from the Nanka dualization and reconstruction. So today we are going to dive into the Ekwulobia axis. So immediately you say goodbye from Nanka, entering Ekwulobia, you find out that the new system has already commenced there, while some sections or some axes has already been completed, and some sections are already receiving the dualization. So immediately we leave the flyover, go down a little bit. I think that's where the dualization ends now in Ekwulobia. Which the dualization will still extend down to Amobia. So, but currently is at that within the Ekwulobia axis. So, if you enter Ekwulobia, you find out that a lot of work is currently going on in Ekwulobia. Ekwulobia is the highest place the work are being done now. After Nanka, it is Ekwulobia along this axis. Aglo is lagging behind a little bit, apart from Ezinano down to Ningsi side. That is the only place I will tell you that that is doing pretty well. But from after Ezinano towards Wagu and the rest, nothing is going on there currently. So from Nanka headed down to Ekwulobia, you find out that a lot of work is currently going on there, and the Ekwulobia itself is not left behind. That is where you find majorly where the contractors are doing marvelously well when it comes to fastness and the rest. So after the whole this whole thing, I headed down to the Ekwulobia flyover to go and see the latest update from that axis, and lo and behold, I will tell you that the flyover is at almost done. So everything has been put in place. What I think is remaining there now is some few finishing touching, pouring in sand and stone base and other things, so that the flyover will be opened for motorists. So the day I visited there, a lot of work is currently going on. The tractors are doing other works. I don't know what they are doing actually, but they are kind of digging hole beside the. It's not hole, like scraping some sand from beside the flyover, and they're doing some certain things. And those who are doing black painting, I don't know what that painting is used for. They are also there doing their own black painting work and the rest. So, but the day I visited, I found out it rained. It rained maybe few days before I visit that place. So the whole ground floor is messed up. Everywhere is looking so messed up the day I visited. So that is just it concerning the Ekwulobia. So if you check the flyover very well, you see that a lot of work is going on, and they are trying their best to make sure that it's completed. I think around December or so. But the way I'm seeing things, it may not be completed before December. Maybe by January, it might be completed or nearly completion by December. So leaving this axis, I also headed down to other axis in this Ekwulobia, between the boundary of Ekwulobia and Mkpologu. Once before you get to Mkpologu, you find out that, in short, the entire Ekwulobia is currently, they are currently doing a very very fast job within that area. Before you get to Mkpologu, you find out that almost all the drainage system there are under construction, while some has been completed. So while some ground are being leveled within that axis. So the entirety of Ekwulobia side are being worked on. That's what I will say. So I will also be giving you the update concerning the Ekwulobia down to Oga road construction in my next video. So this is all I have for in this Ekwulobia axis. I will not be giving you guys the what I think about the job right now until it is done and completed. Then I'll go for my final inspection. I'll go for how thick the road is, the the way the gutters is, and the rest of them, and even give a full tour of the flyover to see how durable it is, because I won't comment anything based on that now until the work is done. So that is it for now. So in my next time I'll be giving you guys the tour of Ekwulobia down to Oga. But what I will say that heading to Oga after Ekwulobia, we find out that nothing is currently going on around that Oga side except that Ekwulobia side. So but I will be giving you the full update in my next video. So this is all I have to tell you guys or update you guys concerning the Ekwulobia axis. So carefully watch the video, drop your comment if you have any comment to make, and don't forget to like the video, and most especially don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also do share so it gets a more wider audience. So thank you guys, do have a wonderful day till we meet again in our next video. Peace out.